We are pleased to show you the 2018 ATS. The Cadillac ATS debuted in 2012 as an American-made compact luxury sedan. The ATS gives the driver incredible comfort and control over a nimble, hard-driving compact that directly competes with the 3 Series and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, 4-wheel disc brakes, power sunroof, heated front seats, tachometer, leather shift knob, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats, front reading lamps. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.